Alright, so I'm starting the video with a thermal camera. And the reason why is this. This is a aftermarket Lenovo charger. Temperature of, from what I can see in this very cold weather here, nearly 45 degrees. Oh, 53 degrees. Wow. 54. Holy crap. Okay, what's going on here? Well, this video is about using compatible charger. So this one is a Lenovo charger, Lenovo compatible charger. Wow, even the wire is getting hot. Okay, not plugged into anywhere. It's just plugged in here. There's a green light, meaning it's on. So you may know Lenovo charger works on 20 volts, most of their devices. So in 20 volts mode, let's just check. The outer shell on the inside is 20 volts, correct. And what do you expect the middle pin to be? It's not plugged in, so it should be 0. And negotiate with the laptop what voltage to provide. It's reading 19.1 volts. Can't believe it. So this guy killed the laptop for a client. So I'll show you under the microscope. Here we go. That's the ground. Here we go. There you have it. 19.1. And the outside of the inner shell, 20 volts. So if you want to kill any Lenovo laptop, simply plug this into any one of them. And the result will be this. Super IO getting exploded. So I've got another video before this about me repairing this laptop. But here I want to point out the risks of using compatible Lenovo chargers that have the middle pin on a high voltage. And you can see this explosion right there near the O. And that's from adapter ID connecting to this Super IO directly from the charging port, which is actually a design issue. But that's how they've been making these laptops. So I'll show you on the schematics for this particular I/O. So that's the Super I/O, and adapter ID is here, pin number 72. And if we were to search for this, and you can see, here we go, detect ID pin number 3 goes straight into Super I/O. Crazy. And here I'll show you a, by the way, how hot is that now? Super duper hot. I'll unplug that, leave it on the side. And we got here a original Lenovo 135 watts. To the inside pin on the outside, 20 volts. And the ID 0, because it's not plugged into anywhere. So I'll show you under the microscope. The middle pin is 0. But when you plug it into a system that communicates with the charger, and it tells it what voltage to work at. Here we go. And help it identify the charger that it's working with. So here we have a typical Lenovo laptop. Plug in the charger to the charging port. And as we can see here, there is 1, 2, 3 pins. Okay, So ground, so that's ground. This is 20 volt line. Same with that. And that's ground. And the middle pin is 1.89. It gets activated after talking to the charger. So yeah, be careful when you buy non-original chargers. If you have multimeter, do check the middle pin. Otherwise, you'll be in for a surprise. And I wish I can open this one to show you what's going on the inside. But unfortunately, we can't at the moment. To give you an idea what it looks like, it's very light as well. Yeah, so in Australia, I mean, every country has their safety ratings, or it's gone through some testing. So that's it there, registered number, N14939. You can actually look that up, which company has certified it. Anyway, totally not recommended, just watch out. And that's why these laptops die. I mean, it's good for our business, but it's not, the point is, it's malicious, it's not good. Anyway, thanks for watching, see you in the next one. Wrong one.